Do you know that there are those who are doing big numbers on Amazon KDP? There are those who are doing over $5,000 on monthly basis, and there are those that are doing over $10,000 on monthly basis. Yes, I have seen and I have had, and that's why I'm here to say you something that you need to do because your account protection is very important. Even if you're even doing $700 or even $500 monthly on Amazon KDP, or even $200 is a lot. And that's why I decided to create this video this morning because something had been happening in the email address linked to my KDP account in the recent time. Okay, sometime 2 months ago, I got a message and in my inbox in that email. And when I read that message, I discovered it was talking about SEO and how to earn money. I took a good look at that email and I saw the domain, okay, that sent that email. I checked about that email domain using a software and I found that this domain was newly created and it will expire in 2 months. If not that I'm cybersecurity conscious, I know some information on cybersecurity, I would have fallen for that. So if you're a writer on Amazon KDP, you may start getting this email with time. That people you may ask, how did they get my email? How did it happen? It happens. Sometimes they use what they call scooping software, all right, to get your email. Okay? Once they get their email, they may start trying a way to send you some messages for you to click on a link for them to hack into your account. And it will be painful after working for years on the platform. And one day you come up, you want to log in, and you find that you couldn't log in again. You can't log in again because your information has leaked and somebody have taken over your account. So that's why I came here to talk to you today. That if you get any email from anybody, all right, and that is encouraging you to click on any particular link to do a particular thing or to claim a particular thing, be very careful. Stop clicking on links anyhow. If you must use that link, copy and go and paste in incognito mode of your browser. Or if you have Sandbox in Windows 11, you can use that because it's a new environment entirely. So be conscious. And I know how my own email leaked. Yes, because there was a time when I started making money newly on Amazon KDP. I usually leave my email in the book, in some books, in case you want to contact me to make some inquiry. Some people buy book not just to learn what is inside. They buy book to know if they will find some information about you, for them to try their luck to hack into your account. There are cyber criminals everywhere. As far as internet is concerned, many people are working day and night to take advantage of others in the wrong way. So you gotta be very careful there. Okay? Not every email you see that you click on, any link you see, you click on. Stop clicking on links. Because once there are some links you click, they will filter down some information about that your account, both the email and password, into their own system. You will not know. This is advanced tech skill in the data side of it. So people are using it to hurt others. By the time somebody claims your account, changes everything about it, and then start earning your royalty, it will be so painful. It's not easy to build an account on Amazon KDP. So that is it. So let me talk to you about another way this scam may come in. Okay, this hack attempt may come in. Okay. Okay, another way this may come in is informal files, PDF files, or document files. Just like the one I got yesterday. He come in form of that, okay, they have a receipt for me to claim a particular payment. It's a PDF format. I say that I should click and download the PDF. So immediately I saw that email, I took a look. I was like, are this solicit for any email from you guys? This person telling me about receipt. I looked at the email address of the person that sent, of the sender. I noticed, okay, the domain is not arranged, it's strange. So it's the first signal. Then when I looked at the PDF file, I was like, I know what you want to do. If the time I tried and click on that PDF file, virus or malware may spread across my computer and it will corrupt my computer and at the same time retrieve my password and other basic confidential information in my what laptop at that point in time, including my KDP account and password. So I've already have this good sense of cybersecurity, and that was why when I saw that, I blocked the sender and then I deleted the email. So it's not only link that somebody can use to hack into your account. They can use file types, PDF documents, Excel. So there are some malicious stuffs inside that when you click, it corrupts your system or it sieves out some confidential information in your PC, including your KDP. And that way, they may succeed in logging you out and take over your account. All right. So be very, very careful. And sometimes if you write to KDP about this kind of situation, they may not even understand what you're saying. That's more reason you need to be careful. Stop clicking on any files you see, any links you see in your email, especially one linked to your Amazon KDP. They can take over from there. All right? They can take over your account from there. If you don't solicit from any email from anybody, you don't have the need to go and start clicking on any files or any links. Yes, because he didn't ask anybody to send you any receipt or that you need certain things. And those people that have turned off their two-factor authenticator, all right, two-factor authentication on Amazon KDP, you guys need to be more careful in this case, especially people from Nigeria like us. Most times you find it difficult logging in with OTP, especially when you're not using MTN network, telecommunication network. Maybe you're using a Salat or Airtel. It's a problem logging in from here. So in most cases, we have disabled that two-factor authentication because if it's active, the person may try logging in and okay, the request we have sent you OTP, insert it in a particular box to know if you are the real person that has that account. All right. So, but for the fact we have disabled that, that's more reasons you need to be more careful. So, this is my message for you today. You need to be cyber security conscious on Amazon KDP. It's not just all about self publishing. You need to learn some things about cyber security. Don't do this. When you see a phishing email, you need to find out, okay, this is a phishing email. When something comes in claiming to offer you so and so amount that they may come up with a story that they want to buy 1,000 copies of your books, of your book, all right? Or maybe 200 copies, or even 800 copies, or even 5,000 copies, or even 20,000 copies. Maybe they'll paint a picture that they want to supply to students and they'll tell you to click on a particular link to go and fill a form. Don't do that. Tell them you don't need to click on a link if they're genuine. Let you guys talk on a neutral ground. Okay, I'll bring the price down. Go and buy it from Amazon KDP. From Amazon. Give them the book link. So you need to stay safe. One thing is that KDP is sweet. I keep telling people. Just yesterday, okay, 2 days ago on Sunday, a book I published this year made $100 in a day. They reported $100 in a day unexpectedly. So you're doing investment on Amazon and don't allow that investment to waste because of your carelessness. So I believe this content helps you. Please, if it does help, consider subscribing to this channel. Here we discuss a lot on technology, mainly plus self-publishing and YouTube education. So subscribe to learn more. Leave a comment in the comment section and hit the like button, okay? So that YouTube will push this video to more people. This video here will teach you something more on how to make more money or excel on Amazon KDP. Thank you and see you some other time.